guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm Amanda. If you're new here, welcome. If you are not new here, then thanks for watching today. So today I'm going to be doing a little fall haul. So some of you may know I'm like in love with decoration, interior design, stuff like that. So I just picked up a couple things for my living room and I want to show you. They're all right here. It's not a lot of stuff that I got, but it's all so cute, and I'll show you how it looks actually on my sofa and coffee table. So I got this candle. It's very cute actually. It's eucalyptus, ginger, and orange. And you know, like the fall candles never really smell good, but this one actually does. It's an aromatherapy candle. So you know that eucalyptus gives it like that minty smell, and then there's like an orange, which is like citrusy. So it's actually really nice. It's from Ross, did I say that? A lot of this stuff is from Ross, except for these flowers right here, which was a DIY, which I'll get into later. So this candle was $7.99, and yeah. All this stuff I plan to like keep for the years to come. So I splurged a little bit because like, you know, fall comes once a year, so I'm just gonna decorate the same way each year. Maybe add a little things, take away some things, but still. So this is a golden maple praline candle. So it smells like sweetness. And this is cute. Like I liked the wood tops on both of them because it like goes with the rest of the theme, which is really nice. This candle was also $7.99, and it smells like, yeah, it smells like sweet and like maple syrup and stuff like that. And I just liked how it was like it's just cute. You know, I hope I'm in focus because not being in focus is always so annoying. Anyway, so then these things are going on my coffee table. So then I got this little pumpkin, and it's so cute. It's white and it has like orangey, brassy sparkle thingies going through it, and then this little thing is brown, so it was so cute. It matches the theme of my living room that I was going for, and it's small. I didn't want to get one of those big pumpkins or big one pumpkin. So yeah, and this was also $7.99, so that is cute. So I guess we'll move on to these. I mean, it's not that big of a deal. So this I got from Burlington, the actual vase and the red or orange flowers, but these white ones or these cream ones I actually got from Hobby Lobby, and I just put them in there around because I didn't want it to be too orange in my living room, so I needed to bring some of the cream and white into it so it would be cute. And I think it turns out really cute. Like this was total, this probably cost me $11 because these were like on sale for $2, so 8, that's 9, 10, 11, yeah. So that's really cute. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. So I'll just push those back. And then this is just a basic throw. It's actually really soft. It's from Ross as well, and I took the tags off of this. I didn't take the tags off of anything else, but this was $8.99. And it's just something I'm gonna throw on the sofa, you know. We don't have a TV in the living room yet, but maybe I'll get one. But we're always in our room, so we'll see. But this would definitely be for like cozying up on the couch and watching a movie. But yeah, that was $8.99. And then my favorite parts are the pillows. Oh, that was ugly. So this pillow is so cute. I have to make sure that when I get pillows that they have the down or the feathers on the inside, because I need the karate chop in the middle. If you don't know, that's like a tip. Like when you're getting pillows, make sure that they have the feathers, or that you can do this karate chop, because that gives your, you know, your living room like a little accent. It's like, that just looks cute. Anyway, so this pillow was $11.99, and I was okay with that. That's actually a really good price for a pillow in the first place, but I can take the cover off and I still have the actual down pillow on the inside. So like throughout the seasons, I can just change the covers, which is nice. So this one has the burnt orange and then the cream. It's like a linen cream which is really cute. And then the back of it is just all of the burnt orange. So like I basically have two pillows in one, if you will. So yeah, that one was $11.99. And then this one is like bigger. This one I think is 22 by 22 inches. Don't mind my hair. I know it's doing crazy things in the back. It's like a 3-day-old braid out. Okay, 22 by 22, and I think this one is 24 by 24. So I really liked getting these big pillows for such a good price. This one was also $11.99. This one was $14.99. I guess because it's bigger. That's okay though. But it's so cute. Like it has the stripes on it, and like it's just this really pretty burnt orange color. And I'm wearing this colored shirt to match with the fall theme because I want to like contrast against the stuff I got. Anyway, so yeah, once again, this has the feathers on the inside, and I can take the cover off if I need to. So all this right here, even though it's not even a lot, it was like $90-something. So it's really expensive for me, of course, because I'm in college, to decorate, but I love doing it anyway. So I do it because it makes me happy. But so I'm just going to show you guys how I put this in my living room, and then that will be the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below any requests or what your favorite item is that I got. And I'll see you in my next video.